Video Fit Solutions here with another video for you. Here we have a drive from Atlanta to Key West and back, specifically the 7 Mile Bridge. Hopefully you will enjoy this. If you've never driven this bridge, it's a sight to see. On the 7 Mile Bridge coming out of Key West, Florida, right baby? What is going on? Filmed the movie True Lies. We're headed back to West Palm to Miami now. Thank you to all my family and friends for wishing me a happy 51st birthday. It feels great to be 51, and I want to know that I appreciate all of your well wishes. Happy New Year, Merry. I want to say thank you to everyone for wishing me a happy 51st birthday. It feels great to be 51. I don't feel 51, but thank you, and Happy New Year to everyone. I want to say thank you to everyone for wishing me a happy 51st birthday. It feels great to be 51. I don't feel 51. I feel blessed to have family and friends who care enough to recognize my day. So thank you. I want to say Happy New Year.
Hey everybody.
Hello, how's everybody doing?
We are out here
In Key West.
Key West. See the water? And we just wanted to say thanks to everybody for wishing me a very, very special happy birthday. It's 51st birthday.
Thank
How you feel? You feel 51?
I don't.
How old do you
I feel 31. No, actually 21. I'm lying. I feel 51 sometimes, but not always.
Yes, I know I feel 51. I feel my 51. Anyway, hope you guys are having a great day. Happy New Year to everyone.
Happy New Year.
Many blessings from our family to yours.
Yeah, absolutely.
Have a great 2019. Bye.
Thank you.